Scott Wu highlights Karpathy's Jagged Intelligence, a new framework for human-AI collaboration in 2023. Introduction. On June 14, 2025, Scott Wu articulated his insights on the framework of Jagged Intelligence, a pivotal concept introduced by renowned AI researcher Andrej Karpathy. This notion emphasizes the collaborative potential between humans and AI, suggesting that their combined strengths can lead to superior outcomes. Wu's discussions illuminate the nuances of this framework, particularly in the context of software engineering, a field where human creativity and decision-making continue to be of paramount importance. Understanding Jagged Intelligence. Jagged intelligence refers to the uneven distribution of capabilities between AI and humans across various tasks. In certain areas, AI demonstrates superhuman proficiency, excelling in data processing, pattern recognition, and other specialized functions. However, in other domains, AI may falter significantly, lacking the nuanced understanding and creative problem-solving abilities that humans possess. Scott Wu encapsulates this idea succinctly: as long as that tail exists of what humans can do, that's what we'll own. This statement underscores the enduring importance of human oversight in guiding AI applications and the necessity of human agency in decision-making processes. The importance of human-AI collaboration. Wu's emphasis on collaboration highlights the synergetic relationship between humans and AI. Rather than viewing AI as a competitor poised to surpass human capabilities, he frames the narrative as one of partnership. The reality is that AI's strengths and weaknesses complement human skills, fostering an environment where both entities can thrive. In the context of software engineering, Wu points out that the process fundamentally revolves around instructing computers on task execution. This requires human insight, creativity, and contextual understanding, areas where AI, despite its advancements, still struggles. Thus, the human element in software engineering remains indispensable. Integration of insights from various sources. The discussions surrounding Jagged Intelligence have been echoed across multiple platforms. For instance, on May 27, 2025, was shared on social media that Jagged Intelligence is his favorite concept from Karpathy, emphasizing the joy of collaboration between humans and AI. He expressed that it would be less enjoyable if AI were to completely eclipse human capabilities, highlighting the value of shared tasks. Another source reiterates Wu's insights, noting how Jagged Intelligence illustrates the strengths and weaknesses of AI in a practical manner. The key takeaway is that while AI can outperform humans in certain tasks, it is essential for humans to retain control over decision-making and the overall direction of projects, particularly in software development. The role of human agency in software engineering. In his discussions, Wu consistently highlights the critical role of human agency in the software engineering domain. He argues that at its core, software engineering is about telling computers what to do. This process requires not only technical skills but also creative thinking and the ability to navigate complex problems, areas where humans excel. The integration of Jagged Intelligence into software engineering practices allows for a more nuanced approach to development. By leveraging the strengths of AI for specific tasks such as data analysis or code generation while relying on human judgment for oversight and decision-making, teams can achieve more effective and innovative solutions. The evolution of thought on human-AI collaboration. The discourse around Jagged Intelligence has evolved significantly, particularly as AI technologies have advanced. Initially, concerns centered around the potential for AI to replace human jobs. However, Wu's perspective shifts this narrative, focusing instead on the potential for collaboration. As AI continues to evolve, it is crucial to recognize the unique capabilities that humans bring to the table. This includes emotional intelligence, ethical considerations, and an understanding of societal impacts, factors that AI in its current state cannot fully grasp. Wu's insights advocate for a balanced approach to human-AI collaboration wherein both parties work together to maximize their respective strengths. Conclusion. Scott Wu's exploration of Karpathy's Jagged intelligence framework presents a compelling argument for the ongoing relevance of human intelligence in the age of AI. By emphasizing the collaborative nature of human-AI interactions, Wu champions a future where both entities work in tandem to achieve superior outcomes. As technology continues to advance, the insights into Jagged intelligence will serve as a guiding principle for effectively integrating AI into various domains, particularly in software engineering, where human creativity and oversight remain irreplaceable. This evolving framework not only enhances our understanding of the human-AI relationship but also encourages a progressive mindset towards the future of work, innovation, and collaboration in an increasingly AI-driven world. In Scott Wu's discussions on Jagged intelligence, a concept introduced by Andrej Karpathy, several counterintuitive insights about the collaboration between humans and AI emerge. The notion of Jagged intelligence challenges traditional views of AI as a uniformly superior entity, instead presenting a more nuanced perspective that highlights the strengths and weaknesses inherent in both humans and machines. Counterintuitive insights. 1. AI's superiority is contextual. While it is often assumed that AI will eventually surpass human capabilities in all domains, Wu emphasizes that AI's strength is not universal. AI can be superhuman in specific tasks, such as data analysis or pattern recognition, yet demonstrates significant deficiencies in others. This variability implies that rather than a linear progression toward AI dominance, there exists a complex landscape where humans and AI can complement each other's strengths. 2. Human involvement is indispensable. The prevailing narrative around AI often suggests that as technology advances, human roles will diminish or become obsolete. However, Wu argues that human oversight in AI applications remains crucial. He states, as long as that tail exists of what humans can do, that's what we'll own. This perspective counters the commonly held fear that AI will completely replace human skills, instead positioning human creativity and decision-making as vital components in the deployment of AI technologies. 3. Joy in collaboration. Wu's assertion that things would be a lot less fun if AIs were worse than us at everything challenges the assumption that human-AI interaction is a zero-sum game. The joy and satisfaction derived from collaborating with AI, leveraging its strengths while providing creative input, highlight the potential for a more enriching partnership. Instead of viewing AI solely as a competitor, there is an opportunity to see it as an ally that enhances human capabilities. 4. Software engineering requires human insight. The belief that AI could one day autonomously handle all aspects of software development is countered by Wu's emphasis on the complexity of software engineering tasks. He posits that at its core, software engineering is about guiding computers through human insight. This suggests that despite advances in AI, the need for human ingenuity in crafting software solutions will endure, reaffirming the importance of human agency in technological progression. 5. Dynamic versus static roles. The assumption that AI's role will continuously expand at the expense of human roles is simplistic. The dynamic nature of Jagged intelligence indicates that as AI excels in certain areas, it also reveals new challenges and questions that require human intervention. This ongoing evolution means that rather than being replaced, human roles are likely to shift and adapt, focusing more on areas where human intuition and context are irreplaceable. 6. Collaboration as a strategic advantage. Conventional wisdom may suggest that competition between humans and AI is the primary narrative in technological advancement. However, Wu promotes the idea that a collaborative approach is strategically advantageous. This partnership allows for a more effective and innovative outcome, leveraging AI's analytic power alongside human creativity and contextual understanding to solve complex problems. Conclusion. Scott Wu's exploration of Jagged intelligence offers a fresh perspective on the collaboration between humans and AI, highlighting the importance of recognizing the unique contributions of both parties. Rather than viewing AI as a monolithic force that will inevitably outpace human capabilities, Wu's insights encourage a more balanced understanding that embraces the complexities of human-AI interaction. This collaborative framework not only preserves the relevance of human intelligence but also enhances the potential for innovation and creativity in various fields, particularly in software engineering. The future of AI, as Wu suggests, lies in collaboration rather than competition, fostering an environment where both humans and machines can thrive together. Scott Wu's exploration of jagged intelligence, as articulated in the context of human-AI collaboration, is rich with implications that extend beyond surface-level observations. While many may focus on the broad strokes of this framework, there are several nuanced elements that are often overlooked but hold significant importance for the future of technology and society. 1. The nature of task-specific intelligence. One of the most critical aspects of jagged intelligence is its emphasis on the uneven distribution of AI capabilities across different tasks. Many discussions focus on AI's ability to outperform humans in specific areas such as data analysis, pattern recognition, and even creative tasks. However, Wu emphasizes that this capability is not uniform. AI can excel in some domains while failing in others. This duality is essential for understanding how AI can be integrated into various fields effectively. Significance: recognizing this jaggedness allows organizations to tailor AI implementations more strategically, ensuring that human skills are utilized where they are strongest. It also prompts a more philosophical inquiry into how we define intelligence and competence, urging us to reconsider what it means to be good at a task. 2. Human oversight and ethical decision-making. Wu's assertion that as long as that tail exists of what humans can do, that's what we'll own, speaks to the indispensable role of human oversight. This is particularly significant in areas involving ethical decision-making and moral considerations. While AI can process information and make predictions, it lacks the contextual understanding and moral reasoning that humans possess. Significance: this aspect of jagged intelligence underscores the importance of human involvement in AI-driven processes, particularly in sensitive areas such as healthcare, law enforcement, and finance. It serves as a reminder that while AI can enhance efficiency, it is ultimately human judgment that should guide critical decisions, ensuring that ethical standards are upheld. 3. The role of creativity in software engineering. Wu's insights into software engineering highlight that at its core the discipline is about directing computers to perform tasks. This requires not only technical skills but also creativity and innovative thinking. The interaction between human intuition and AI capabilities can lead to novel solutions and advancements in technology. Significance: this underscores the idea that the future of work will not solely be about technical proficiency but will increasingly rely on creative problem-solving. Organizations may need to rethink their hiring practices and training programs to cultivate this blend of skills, preparing the workforce for a future where collaboration with AI becomes the norm. 4. The cultural implications of collaboration. While the technical aspects of human-AI collaboration are often emphasized, the cultural implications can be understated. Wu's notion of enjoying the collaboration with AI rather than fearing it represents a shift in mindset that could influence workplace culture and societal attitudes toward technology. Significance: embracing AI as a collaborative partner rather than a competitor can foster a more positive relationship with technology. This cultural shift may lead to greater acceptance of AI tools and a willingness to integrate them into various sectors, ultimately benefiting innovation and progress. 5. The future of human-AI interaction. Wu's framework of jagged intelligence suggests a future where human and AI roles evolve continuously. As AI capabilities grow, the nature of collaboration may change, requiring humans to adapt and develop new skills to remain relevant. Significance: this highlights the necessity for continuous learning and adaptability in the workforce. Educational systems and professional development programs will need to be proactive in preparing individuals for a landscape where the balance of power and skills between humans and AI is constantly shifting. 6. Implications for policy and regulation. Finally, the concept of jagged intelligence has significant implications for policymakers and regulators. As AI continues to evolve, understanding its strengths and weaknesses can inform better policies that promote ethical use and address potential risks. Significance: policymakers must consider how to regulate AI technologies in a way that acknowledges their limitations while encouraging their beneficial use. This balanced approach can help mitigate risks associated with over-reliance on AI and ensure that human oversight remains a priority. Conclusion: Scott Wu's articulation of jagged intelligence is not merely an academic exercise, it carries profound implications for how we approach the integration of AI into society. By recognizing the importance of human creativity, ethical oversight, and the uneven capabilities of AI, we can foster a collaborative environment that benefits both technology and humanity. The significance of these insights extends into cultural, educational, and policy dimensions, urging us to rethink our relationship with technology in a rapidly evolving world. 1. Jagged Intelligence Framework. Scott Wu's concept of jagged intelligence, as articulated through Andrej Karpathy's ideas, emphasizes the non-uniform strengths and weaknesses of AI in various tasks. This framework posits that while AI can outperform humans in specific areas, it simultaneously exhibits notable deficiencies in others. This variability fosters a collaborative environment where humans and AI can complement each other's strengths effectively. 2. Importance of human oversight. Wu underscores the necessity of human involvement in the AI decision-making process, stating, "As long as that tail exists of what humans can do, that's what we'll own." This highlights the ongoing relevance of human creativity and insight, particularly in areas where AI lacks proficiency. The dynamic between human oversight and AI capabilities is critical for achieving superior outcomes. 3. Software engineering as a collaborative domain. The discussion around software engineering illustrates a domain where human agency remains indispensable. Wu argues that the essence of software engineering lies in directing computers to perform tasks, a process that inherently requires human creativity and problem-solving skills. This perspective reinforces the idea that even in a rapidly advancing technological landscape, human input is essential for effective AI integration. 4. Philosophical versus practical perspectives. The differences in the sources indicate a broader discourse on human-AI collaboration. Source 1 leans toward the philosophical implications of jagged intelligence and the joy of collaborative tasks, while Source 2 offers practical insights into the specific roles humans occupy in software development. This contrast illustrates the multifaceted nature of the conversation surrounding AI's role in society. Balancing theoretical exploration with real-world applications. Here are 3 famous historical cases that illustrate themes similar to Scott Wu's discussion on jagged intelligence and the collaboration between humans and AI. 1. IBM's Deep Blue vs. Garry Kasparov, 1997. In 1997, the world witnessed a landmark event when IBM's chess-playing computer Deep Blue defeated reigning world champion Garry Kasparov in a 6-game match. This event highlighted the capabilities of AI in specific tasks such as chess, where Deep Blue excelled at calculating numerous possible moves and outcomes. However, it also underscored the limitations of AI as it lacked the human capacity for intuition and strategic planning. Kasparov's subsequent reflections on the match revealed that while AI could process information at a superhuman level, it could not replicate the creative thinking and adaptability that human players brought to the game. This interaction exemplifies the jagged intelligence concept, showcasing how humans and AI can complement each other, humans providing strategic insight and emotional understanding while AI delivers computational power. 2. The Manhattan Project and Human-Machine Collaboration, 1942–1945. During World War II, the Manhattan Project was a secret research and development undertaking that produced the first nuclear weapons. This project exemplified collaboration between human intellect and machine capabilities as scientists utilized advanced calculations and theoretical physics to design atomic bombs. While the project relied heavily on human ingenuity, it also employed the use of early computers such as the ENIAC to perform complex calculations that human mathematicians could not efficiently handle. This historical case reflects themes of jagged intelligence. As the project required a balance of human creativity and scientific theory and the computational power of machines to achieve groundbreaking results. The synergy of human oversight and machine efficiency was critical to the project's success. 3. The Apollo 11 moon landing 1969. The Apollo 11 mission marked a monumental achievement in human exploration and technology, where astronauts Neil Armstrong and Buzz Aldrin became the first humans to set foot on the moon. This mission was a testament to the collaboration between humans and technology, particularly in the use of the lunar module and various computing systems. The computers used in the Apollo missions, though limited by today's standards, were critical in guiding the spacecraft and executing complex maneuvers. However, the mission's success hinged on human intuition, problem-solving, and adaptability in unforeseen circumstances, such as during the landing when Armstrong had to manually take control of the lunar module due to unexpected obstacles. This case mirrors the Jagged intelligence framework by illustrating how human skills and machine capabilities must work in tandem for success in high-stakes environments. These historical cases highlight the essential interplay between human intelligence and machine capabilities, underscoring the value of collaboration in achieving complex goals, much like the principles outlined by Scott Wu regarding jagged intelligence in the context of AI. Future outlook on human-AI collaboration and jagged intelligence. As we look ahead beyond 2023, the framework of jagged intelligence as articulated by Scott Wu and inspired by Andrej Karpathy is expected to evolve, significantly influencing various sectors and reshaping the landscape of human-AI collaboration. Here are some predictions for the future of this collaboration, particularly in software engineering and beyond. 1. Enhanced human-AI collaboration models. The future will likely see the establishment of more sophisticated models for human-AI collaboration that leverage the Jagged intelligence framework. These models will integrate AI capabilities with human creativity and oversight, leading to teams where humans and AI systems co-create solutions. This evolution will manifest in tools that allow for real-time collaboration, where AI assists in brainstorming, prototyping, and decision-making processes. By 2030, we may even witness AI systems that can seamlessly integrate human feedback into their learning processes, refining their outputs based on collaborative inputs. 2. Customization of AI tools for specific tasks. As AI continues to demonstrate superhuman capabilities in certain tasks while remaining inadequate in others, we can expect a surge in the development of customizable AI tools tailored for specific industries and tasks. For example, in software engineering, AI tools will become more adept at understanding specific coding languages and frameworks, allowing engineers to work alongside AI in a more intuitive and efficient manner. By 2028, we might see a new standard where software development environments are embedded with AI that can not only assist but also learn from the engineer's unique coding style and preferences. 3. Shift in job roles and skills development. The integration of jagged intelligence will necessitate a shift in job roles and the skills required in the workforce. While AI will handle repetitive and data-intensive tasks, the demand for human skills such as creativity, critical thinking, and emotional intelligence will rise. Educational institutions and training programs will likely adapt to prepare future workers for these evolving roles. By 2030, we might see a new educational paradigm that emphasizes interdisciplinary skills, combining technical knowledge with soft skills to better equip individuals for a collaborative future with AI. 4. Ethical considerations in governance. As AI systems become more integrated into decision-making processes, ethical considerations will take center stage. The Jagged Intelligence Framework will prompt discussions about the limits and responsibilities of AI in various fields, particularly in software engineering and healthcare. By 2026, we may see the establishment of ethical guidelines and governance frameworks that oversee the development and deployment of AI tools, ensuring that human oversight remains a priority and that AI is used responsibly. 5. Continuous learning and adaptation. The concept of jagged intelligence implies that both AI and humans will need to adapt and learn continuously. In the future, we can expect AI systems to become more proficient at learning from human input and experiences, thus improving their performance in areas where they previously struggled. This mutual learning environment will foster a dynamic relationship where humans can also learn from AI insights, leading to enhanced innovation. By 2029, organizations may implement feedback loops that allow AI to evolve based on human interactions and experiences. 6. Broader applications across industries. While software engineering is a critical domain for the application of jagged intelligence, its principles will likely extend to various industries such as healthcare, finance, and creative arts. In healthcare, for example, AI could assist doctors in diagnosing diseases while leaving complex moral decisions and patient interactions to human practitioners. By 2035, we might see AI systems that are deeply integrated into every facet of business and societal functions, enhancing productivity and decision-making across the board. 7. Emphasis on creativity and human insight. As AI continues to excel in data analysis and repetitive tasks, the emphasis on uniquely human capabilities such as creativity, empathy, and ethical judgment will become increasingly important. Future collaborations will likely focus on harnessing these human strengths to guide AI applications. By 2032, we may witness the emergence of hybrid teams where AI acts as a partner, enhancing human creativity rather than replacing it, leading to innovative solutions that blend analytical rigor with imaginative thinking. Conclusion. The future of human-AI collaboration through the lens of jagged intelligence presents a promising landscape where both entities complement each other's strengths and weaknesses. As we move forward, the emphasis will likely be on creating symbiotic relationships that harness the best of both worlds: AI's computational power and humans' creativity and ethical judgment. By embracing this collaborative framework, we can foster a future that not only enhances productivity but also ensures the ethical and responsible use of AI technologies, paving the way for a more innovative and balanced society.